And here we go, folks. We're back in action with the parrotfish. There they are. I knew Mama was acting like she was protecting something. And they're all alone in there now. It's just them. Lots of hiding spots. As long as they don't get sucked up by this thing, they'll be okay. So we got another brood down here swimming around. There's quite a few of them. And there's another one in the works upstairs too, up in this this aquarium right here. They're hungry. They want to eat. They got something going on down here under there. I was looking around to see if there's a group of babies already out. We'll see some here shortly. I'll put some flake in. And here we go. We got some flake in there. Maybe a little too much. Come on, focus. Cute. Oh, it went out again. I think the mama brings back particles of flakes and then she spits the flakes out at them. A lot of babies in there to manage. Well, hopefully these ones do better than the last batch. They were getting big the last batch, and then I just had something took them out. One day we'll see lots of discus like that too.